Guys, so today we are supposed to make what do you call Oreo and hide and seek share. I know it's weird, but what could go wrong? I mean, I gotta try everything. So I'll get my bowl. Where's my bowl? Wait, no, that's not enough. Yeah, I think this will do. I got my bowl. So I have milk in this, so I'm just gonna pour it. And you can do this with any type of biscuit. So I'll break one into 4 pieces. 4 or 3 or whatever. Then I can 6. In they go. Now I'm gonna mix. I might use a mixer after I'm tired using the whisker. Yeah. Okay, I'm using the machine that we're supposed to use for mixing. Okay, so I brought it, managed. Now I'm gonna mix. Delicioso. Okay, so the counter doesn't get dirty. I'm just gonna put it in this because it's bad boy. And no dirty bands on my hands. So now, as you can see, I'm just gonna pour this and the wonderful thick. I'm ready to give it a shot. Strong. I mean, straws and I just have them so yeah. It's much better than being alone. Okay. So see you all next time. Goodbye.